Hey guys, this is a video of this Hunter ceiling fan in my grandparents' living room. I don't know what the model is, but I know it's a Hunter because of the mounting and the blades and everything. It's got 5 blades, it's got a light, it's got the globe, the dish light fitter on it, and it's on a very long down rod. You can only be used on one speed because the chain is all the way up there. But let's demonstrate it, starting off with the light. It works. It's got 2 candelabra bulbs in it. And we'll turn on the fan. I think it comes on medium. It has a slight wobble because it's on a long down rod. But here it is. It's very quiet. It works really nicely. This fan actually came with the house when my grandparents moved in. So yeah, unfortunately I can only show it on this speed because the chain is out of reach. But otherwise it's not that bad. I'll show it to you running with the light. Looks really nice with the light on, actually. So yeah, it just has a slight wobbling issue. No big deal. It's really quiet though. And we'll turn it off. And let it slow down from there. And the spin down time is not that long on this particular one. This is a nice fan though. I really like it. Like I said, this is the only fan that actually came with the house. And this fan is not coming down anytime soon. And I don't think it will ever be taken down. But yeah, I recommended my grandparents to get like a wall control, switch the chain to high speed, and then click the chain to get the chain to set to high speed, and then put a 3-speed wall control so you can just change the speed from the wall. But right now it's stuck on the medium speed. But yeah, I'm just showing the spin down time because I can only show it on one speed, so there's not really much I can show. But it's almost done. There you go. That was the 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan in my grandparents' living room on the long down rod. Thanks for watching.